Welcome to 6th grade math. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find percent of numbers. We will do this by multiplying the numbers by both the fraction and the decimal form of the percent. Example 1, 60% of 45. As we know, a percent is a fraction with a denominator of 100. So therefore 60% will be 60 over 100. And of means multiply, and that is 45 over 1. Now we can use cross multiplication to simplify. 0 cancels 0. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 45 divided by 5 is 9. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then we multiply across, and that is equal to 27. Now, as a decimal, we know that 60 over 100 means 60 divided by 100. So, if we move the decimal point 2 places to the left, we will get 0.60. So let's look at that. 60% means per 100, 60 over 100. And that means divide. We're going to move the point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. And that is how we end up with 0.60. Now, 0.60 of means multiply by 45. Now, 0.60 times 45 is equal to 60 times 45, which is 2,700. And here we have 2 decimal places, counting from the back, 1, 2, and that is equal to 27 point, which is the same as 27. So as a percent, as a fraction, and as a decimal, we end up with the same result because both decimal and fractions are similar. Now let's move on to example number 2, 75% as a fraction. 75 over 100. Of means multiply. 68 over 1. Cross multiply. You can divide both 75 and 100 by 25. And this is 3 times. And this is 4 times. 4 divided by 4, 1. 6 divided by 4, 1 time, and 2. 28 divided by 4, 7 times. And now we multiply across, and that gives us 51. Now, as a decimal, we already know 75 over 100. Divide by 100, move the point 2 places to the left. So that will give us 0.75 times 68. Now, when we multiply 75 by 68, that will give us 5,100. And we have 2 decimal places. So we'll count from the back. And our decimal point will be right here. And that is equal to 51.00, which is the same as 51. Moving right along, 115% of 480. So it's 115 over 100 times 480 over 1. Cross multiply, divide by 10. That means these a 0 cancel a 0. Now we divide by 5. And this is 2 times. And this is 23 times. Divide by 2. This is 1 time. And this is 24. And 23 times 24 is equal to 552. And as a decimal, it will be, we'll have 115 over 100. 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So it is equal to 1.15. And that is 1.15 times 480. And when we multiply 115 by 480, we will get 55,200. 55,200. And 2 decimal places, 1, 2, and that is equal to 552.00, which is the same as 552. And now on to our last example, which is a word problem. In a class of 320 students, 55% are females. How many of the students are females? So that is 55% of 320. So that would be as a fraction, 55 over 100 times 320. And cross multiply, divide by 10. So this 0, cancel that 0. And then we're going to divide by 5. And that is 11. and this is 2, and then we divide by 2. This is 1, and this is 16. And 16 times 11 is equal to 176. And as a decimal, that would be 0.55%, 0.55 times 320. $55 times 320 is equal to 17,600. And we have 2 decimal places, 1, 2, and our answer is 176. And there you have it. And for more on percent and a wide variety of topics, please check out my channel, Darian May Math Max. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And please remember to give this video a like, and please share this video. See you in the next video.